All parties Hurriyat Conference has appealed to the people in occupied Kashmir to observe shutdown on 13th July Sunday to commemorate the martyrdom anniversary of the 22 Kashmiris who were killed by the Dogra armed forces within the premises of the Central Jail Srinagar on 13th July in 1931. These martyrs were a part of the thousands of the people who had assembled outside the Central Jail Srinagar during the court proceedings against one Abdul Qadir, who had asked the people to defy the Dogra rule. Ahead of the Kashmir's Martyrs' Day, poster paying glowing tributes to the martyrs of July 13, 1931 and other Kashmiri martyrs have appeared in several areas of the occupied Kashmir. Kashmir's Martyr Day is observed on 13th July every year on both sides of the line of control and all over the world by the Kashmiris to pay homage to 22 Kashmiris who were martyred by the forces of the Dogra ruler in 1931. All parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Kashmir chapter paid rich tributes to the former Prime Minister of Azad Kashmir, Sardar Abdul Qayyum Khan, on his 10th death anniversary, remembering him as a towering political figure and unwavering advocate of the Kashmir's freedom movement. APHC AJK chapter held a commemorative event at its office in Islamabad today, which was attended by the senior political and the Hurriyat leaders, intellectuals and the civil society members. 54-year-old driver died under mysterious circumstances in the Pulwama district, further fueling people's concern over the alarming pattern of the unexplained deaths in the territory. The deceased was identified as Sajjad Ahmed Shah, a resident of the North Kashmir's Kupwara district. A goods train derailed in the Kathua district following a heavy rainfall and landslide, disrupting traffic on the Jammu-Pathankot route. The incident occurred near the Lakhanpur area of the Kathua after debris from the landslide fell onto the railway track. India's Chief of the Defence Staff General Anil Chauhan has cautioned against a possible convergence of the interests among China, Pakistan and Bangladesh, saying it could pose significant challenges to India's internal stability. Speaking at an event hosted by a private think tank, Observer Research Foundation in New Delhi, General Chauhan said, "There is a possible convergence of interests we can talk about between China, Pakistan and Bangladesh that may have implications for the India's stability and the security dynamics." Chairman Pakistan's People's Party, former Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari has said that Pakistan is fighting the largest inland war against the terrorism. In an interview with the prominent Indian journalist Karan Thapar, Bilawal Bhutto stated that Pakistan does not allow any group to carry out terrorist attacks, neither within the country or abroad.